Hey everybody, Casey here. I've been using Claude Code an awful lot since about the beginning of the year. One of the things I was talking to Chris about earlier is I've been building a lot of custom Slack bots that run on a machine at home that now runs Ubuntu, and a year ago I had never installed Linux. Now I have a long-lived team session, and I've done all kinds of crazy stuff that I couldn't have done a year ago. It's really absurd. Keeps track of to-do items for me, things like that. Messaging it now, it'll go update my Google Drive. But what I'm most excited about today is I took the ICE prompt and I used Chris's vibe brief, and I've got this Firefox extension now. Some of you have done truly useful things, and mine just summons vanilla ice.
Stop. Don't hesitate.
That's right.
Hey, we're here to collaborate and listen.
Listen to each other. That's right.